We're collaborating with our friends over at Sculpey, and we're going to show you how to make these Christmas ornaments with polymer clay. Welcome back. This year has been a fabulous year for polymer clay fans because Sculpey released a whole bunch of new colors in their Soufflé line and Primo line. Today we're going to be using Sculpey's Ivory Soufflé color for these ornaments and some leaves that I've gathered to make the imprints. So I'll get into this pack of polymer clay and we will get started. First, cut the clay into 4 sections. Sculpey makes it super easy with the lines that are already in the clay for you. Next, get it nice and soft with your hands. As the clay warms up, it will get easier to work with. Now press the clay out a bit and make it into a disc. Use some oven-safe glitter for extra accents. Just press it into the clay here and there and the clay will pick it up. Then roll it out into a nice large disc that's big enough to fit your leaf. For this one, I'll cut out the shape of the leaf. Then press it in to get the impression. Using a toothpick, go over the veins to bring them out some more. You can accent the ornaments with some shimmer powder to make the impression stand out a little bit more. When these bake, the colors are going to go slightly darker. Then make a hole where the ribbon or chain's going to go. And bake according to the instructions on the package. Go over the edges with gold paint for an extra special touch. That's looking gorgeous. Then add the chain or ribbon to the ornament. And here they are. They look absolutely gorgeous and would make a great handmade gift idea. We hope you found this helpful and try this out. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.